Now we need to get this old one out.
Koskitullut vai?
Joo.
Oliko oikein näköinen?
Melkein.
Melkein oikein näköinen.
Näytti niin kauhean pitkältä.
Se on pituus on oikein, mutta paksuus on pikkusen enemmän.
Ai jaa.
Ei tässä ole.
So it turns out we had only one oopsie. This one is 60 millimeters and the new one is 80. So yeah. So because the tube diameter was wrong, we'll need to do some work on these supports. Here's the diameter of the new tube, and you can see there's a small gap, and of course we need to lower these so the beam hits the mirror on the center. But it's not a big deal though. It would have been much worse if the tube was wrong length. Then we would have needed to do some stuff here if it was too long. So here's a quick drawing I made of the situation here. This is the old tube at 60 millimeter diameter, and this is the aluminum block on which it rests, and these are the supports. And there's a 3 millimeter thick rubber protector around the glass tube, so it doesn't so the glass doesn't rest on the aluminum. I copied this section here, the aluminum block here, and this is the new tube, 80 millimeter diameter. I found this rubber mat, which is 4.5 millimeters thick, and this allows me to basically quickly see how much I need to lower the or shorten the support. Okay, let's see what we got in this box. Here's the high voltage wire. Let's see here. Okie dokie. No manual. Well, who needs a manual anyway? Okay, let's take a look at the current state of the electronics inside this thing. Just move these out of the way. And I need to get the key. There we go. There. There. So here's what it looks like now. Here's the high voltage, and here's the stepper controls. Well, actually, the original circuit board, which was in this case, it was some kind of a prototype. It didn't work very well, and we just decided to redo it. And this is 2-axis stepper motor driver. Well, it's in the parallel port, and here's just a bunch of opto decouplers. And I used the old board basically just as a power supply. And yeah, it's a mess. But it was a working mess. And the high voltage side has not been changed in any way. It's as it was when it came to us. But I suppose the next step is to get all of this out of here, get rid of it, and put the new power supply on this side. And I think I'll need to search for a new power supply for the stepper motors as well. And this one is still good, I think. If I recall correctly, there's still one output free, so I can do the compressed air solenoid valve thingy with that one. And that's about it. So final quick recap of to-do list. Get the old electronics out, put the new one in, shorten the supports for the mounts, line up the laser and all the mirrors, rehook up the water cooling, and do the air filtering, and after that I think it's mostly just configuring the software, and I was thinking the old power adjustment was just with this potentiometer. It would be nice to have it settable with the program. So that's another thing to consider.